In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell if a Facebook Marketplace buyer is legit. Shopping online can be convenient, but also risky, particularly when it comes to ensuring you're interacting with genuine buyers. Let's walk through some steps to help you identify trustworthy buyers on Facebook Marketplace and avoid scams. First off, let's examine the buyer's Facebook profile. A strong, established profile is a positive sign. Look for accounts that have been active for a while, which include posts, photos, and a decent number of friends. If they've engaged in past transactions or have positive reviews on the marketplace, that's another tick in the box. Also, take notice of their profile picture. Avoid dealing with accounts using generic or stock images, as these could signal fake profiles. Communication is key. Pay attention to the nature of the questions they ask. Honest buyers will inquire about the condition, history, or specifics of the item rather than make vague inquiries. You'll also notice that legitimate buyers are responsive and maintain consistency in their communication. Be cautious of anyone who pressures you into unconventional payment or delivery arrangements early on. Speaking of payments, a fair and secure payment method is crucial. Genuine buyers will agree to use the payment tools Facebook offers or other methods with buyer and seller protection. Be wary of those insisting on unusual payment forms like gift cards. Always align on the timing of the payment. Ideally, this should happen when you meet or once you've delivered the product, but being cautious of making any transaction before you're confident about their legitimacy is wise. Another important aspect is the willingness to meet in person. If the buyer is local, they should be open to seeing the item before finalizing the purchase. A suggestion to meet at a safe public location is an indicator of serious intent. If they're comfortable with an in-person cash payment or a secure transaction through an app or POS system, this is also reassuring. One of the red flags to watch for is undue pressure or fabricated urgency. A legitimate buyer won't push you to make hasty decisions or create false emergencies, like insisting you ship an item before receiving payment, claiming they'll pay immediately but pick it up much later, or any other illogical scenarios. Lastly, let's cover some safety tips and best practices to enhance your selling experience. Keep all communication within Facebook Messenger or the platform's messaging system, avoiding sharing personal contact details unless vital. Aim to meet at a public place with plenty of people around, preferably in daylight. Stick to payment methods that offer protection. Cash is safest for local exchanges. Always ensure that funds are cleared before parting with your items. If you're buying, inspect the item before paying. Similarly, if you're selling, allow the buyer to inspect and test it. And remember, if a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. High discounts or overly attractive offers are often bait used by scammers. Stay vigilant, trust your instincts, and use these guidelines to transact safely on Facebook Marketplace.